Hello, I am here today to tie together the entire Whole Glow series all in one sitting. The Whole Glow explores a simple but powerful truth. Glowing skin is a byproduct of internal balance, an expression of how we eat, move, rest, manage stress, and care for ourselves day to day. Across this series, we've been walking through the physiological pathways that influence how the body regulates stress, absorbs nutrients, repairs tissue, balances hormones, and renews skin, and how small, consistent lifestyle habits quietly shape all of it. Rather than chasing perfection or extreme protocols, the Whole Glow focuses on foundational science-backed practices that support the body's natural ability to regulate, repair, and express health. I've linked each pathway below if you want to revisit any of them more deeply. Now, let's walk through these 5 interconnected pathways. Pathway 1 is about hydration and nutrient-dense nourishment. Water and whole foods provide the raw materials for cellular function, circulation, detoxification, and skin structure. When the body is adequately hydrated and supplied with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy fats, and protein, the skin is better able to maintain elasticity, barrier integrity, which we look at more deeply in pathway 3, and a glowy appearance. Glow begins with what the body has access to, and access is shaped by what we consume. Pathway 2, exploring the powerful relationship between gut health and skin. Your gut and skin are in constant communication through inflammation, immunity, hormones, and stress signaling. When that communication is calm and supported, the skin often responds with greater clarity, smoothness, and glow. When digestion is irritated or overwhelmed, the skin tends to reflect that too. Simple, realistic habits that support a calm, healthy gut include eating in a relaxed state, staying consistently hydrated, building meals around whole, fiber-rich foods, choosing gentler options when digestion feels off, consistently managing stress in small, doable ways, and prioritizing sleep. When digestion runs smoothly, nutrients are better absorbed, inflammation stays low, and repair processes work more efficiently. And again, the skin mirrors that internal stability. Pathway 3 looks at topical care through the lens of the skin barrier. Most skin issues aren't product problems, they're barrier problems. The skin barrier is the outermost layer of the skin that keeps moisture in and irritation out. When the barrier is compromised, water escapes and inflammation rises, creating issues like dryness, sensitivity, breakouts, redness, pigmentation, and premature aging. When the barrier is supported, skin becomes calmer, smoother, and more resilient. And paired with the inside-out foundations of pathway 1 and 2, this creates the conditions for healthy, luminous skin. The skin isn't meant to be scrubbed or shocked into submission. It's meant to be gently supported, hydrated, and protected. Now, because the barrier is largely made of lipids, which are fats, and water, plant oils that resemble the skin's own fatty acids, like cold-pressed, unrefined almond oil and coconut oil, help reduce water loss, calm inflammation, and strengthen the barrier integrity. So use daily, especially after water exposure and before bed. Plant oils help protect and nourish the skin. Part 2 of this pathway moves from ingredients on the skin to supportive stimulation of the skin. Practices like facial massage and red light therapy help keep the skin calm, resilient, and responsive by working with its natural biology. Gentle touch and thoughtfully used light therapy support circulation, lymphatic movement, inflammatory balance, and tissue repair, while also activating a rest and repair state where healing happens for the entire mind-body system most efficiently. Pathway 4, exploring how exercise supports skin health, not just through movement itself, but through how well we recover afterward. Exercise creates a healthy, temporary stress that boosts circulation, supports detox pathways, and influences hormones. But the most meaningful benefits of exercise, including those reflected in the skin, come from guiding the nervous system from go mode back into the parasympathetic rest and repair state toward the end of your workout and in the minutes that follow. A few simple, gentle ways to support this shift are gradually slowing your pace, intensity, and breath for 5 to 10 minutes at the end of your workout. 2, gently stretching afterward for 5 to 10 minutes. And 3, using slow, intentional breathing during and after stretching, and staying aware of your breath throughout your workout to support this shift as well. Because the nervous system doesn't distinguish between types of stress, learning to recover from exercise also improves how we recover from all the other stresses we come across in daily life. So over time, consistent movement paired with intentional recovery supports circulation, lymphatic flow, inflammation, balance, and nervous system flexibility, which is this ability to move from stress, no matter where it's coming from, back into calm. On the skin, this often shows up as brighter tones, stronger barrier function, fewer flare-ups, and greater resilience overall. Exercise provides the stimulus, and recovery determines the result. Pathway 5 focuses on meditation and how it helps shape skin health through its gentle but powerful influence on the nervous system. And no matter which pathway you're approaching wellness from, meditation supports them all. A daily meditation practice is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support calmer skin, steadier energy, and greater whole body resilience. Meditation gently shifts the nervous system from fight or flight into the parasympathetic rest and repair state, which again is where all types of healing happen most efficiently. Practices such as mantra meditation give the mind a simple place to rest instead of asking it to clear, which isn't realistic. It's a mind, it's meant to have thoughts, and makes it easier for both the body and the mind to settle into repair mode. Over time, consistent meditation improves stress resilience and supports the internal conditions that allow the skin to repair, hydrate, and renew, while also creating quieter but meaningful shifts like smoother emotional responses, clearer focus, increased creativity, and a deeper sense of ease. So, the big picture is this. The whole glow is about choosing simple, natural, sustainable, science-backed habits that work with the body day after day. When the body is supported consistently, it remembers how to balance itself. And the natural side effect is your beautiful whole glow. Thank you so much for joining me for this series, and I look forward to seeing you for the next.